Hey, fashion-savvy friends! It's your gal Kelly from SaveMoneyOn, and today I'm going to share some tips and tricks on how to save money on clothes. Let's face it, the only thing better than a fabulous outfit is a fabulous outfit at a fabulous price. Am I right or am I right? Tip 1. Buy from thrift stores. First off, let's talk about thrift stores. It's like going on a treasure hunt, but instead of gold and jewels, you're searching for affordable fashion gems. And who knows, you might find a pair of jeans that make your bum look like $1,000,000. Tip 2. Buy from online marketplaces. Now, if you prefer shopping from the comfort of your own home, in your pajamas, no less, online marketplaces are your best friend. Just remember, what you see online is not always what you get, so make sure you read the descriptions carefully before buying. And if it doesn't fit, well, that's what belts are for. Tip 3. Try clothing swaps. Why spend money on new clothes when you can have a clothing swap with your friends? It's like a shopping spree without the guilt. Plus, it's a great way to bond with your pals and trade stories about embarrassing fashion faux pas from the past. Tip 4. Go to consignment stores. For high-end brands, consignment stores are where it's at. You can find designer items without the designer prices. It's like getting a taste of luxury without breaking the bank, and who doesn't love feeling fancy? Tip 5. Try garage sales. Ah, the classic garage sale. It's like a thrift store on wheels. Just make sure you have your haggling skills ready, because you never know what kind of deal you can score. Plus, you might find a vintage piece that'll make you the envy of all your fashionista friends. Tip 6. Repurpose old clothing. Lastly, let's talk about repurposing your old clothes. Don't throw them away. Get creative. Turn an old shirt into a trendy crop top or make a scarf out of an old sweater. Not only is it good for the environment, but it's also good for your wallet. It's like DIYing your way to fashion success. And there you have it. My top 6 tips on how to save money on clothes. Remember, fashion doesn't have to break the bank. With a little bit of creativity and resourcefulness, you can have a fabulous wardrobe without spending a fortune. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more money-saving tips. Until next time, stay stylish.